Welcome to my channel. How to update Deco BE95 firmware, easy method. 1. Install, launch the Deco app. Get the TP-Link Deco app on your iPhone or Android if you haven't already. 2. Sign in to your TP-Link account. Open the app and log in using your TP-Link ID. If you don't have one, create it. 3. Connect to your Deco network. Make sure your phone is connected to the Deco BE95 Wi-Fi network you want to update. 4. Select your Deco system. On the main screen, tap the Deco BE95 network icon to access its dashboard. 5. Go to More, System Settings. In the menu, find More right-pointing arrow System, or similar settings section. 6. Check for firmware update. Look for firmware update or check for updates and tap it. 7. Download the latest firmware. If an update is available, tap Download or Update. 8. Wait for the update to install. The app will download and install the firmware. Don't turn off the router or close the app during this process. 9. Automatic restart. Once done, the BE95 may restart automatically to apply the firmware. 10. Confirm update success. After reboot, check the system info in the app to verify the new firmware version. Thanks for watching.